How are you doing? I'm doing okay, but I have to be honest. I'm finding it harder and harder to deal with the current state of humanity. Every single day that I log on to Facebook or Twitter or Google, Gmail, or whatever, Instagram, I'm just so sick of seeing videos and images and articles of humans killing each other, of humans having a complete disregard for the basic necessities that we each need. You know, humans being afraid of other humans and disrespecting other humans. Specifically, for example, police brutality and the Black Lives Matter movement. I'm fucking sick of it. I'm so sick of the back and forth. I feel like, either you get it or you don't, but at the same time, I know that's not going to work. I know we have to change some hearts, and I want to change some hearts. I have to. I can't imagine, bringing children into a world like this. I can't imagine being able to sleep at night knowing that my loved ones are in danger, I come from a mixed race family, like I've said in other videos, so I'm like trying to explain to the white side of my family what the black side of my family is dealing with. And many of them refuse to get it, or they think that it's a joke. But there's also other things going on, like undocumented immigrants are continuing to be treated like they're less than human. The LGBTQ community has made some strides recently, but I constantly see homophobia and transphobia on my feed, and I don't even know how to respond to it. I don't even know what to do. I see it within, other social justice movements as well. And also, the social justice movements are difficult to begin with because they're a microcosm of what we're dealing with in society. So there's a lot of dysfunction, there's a lot of drama, but I have to participate somehow. And then on top of that, you have personal stuff going on in your life. And that kind of takes precedence over the overall fucked up shit that's happening in the world. So you have to deal with your own financial stuff, your own family stuff, your love life, your day-to-day stuff, even just like, what are the 3 meals I'm going to eat for the day? And, am I going to exercise and meditate and truly take care of myself? In some ways, I want to focus on self-preservation, but I've always called myself like a freedom fighter way before I started getting involved with the Black Lives Matter movement. But for me, it was more like fighting for the freedom of self. But now I feel like, what good is it if I'm free, if the people around me are not free? And could I truly be free if I didn't help to free other people? There's a quote that says, "No one is free until we are all free," and I truly believe that. I've had so many crazy things happen to me in the last year. So many crazy things happened to me in the last 10 years, actually, since I've moved to New York City. But, yeah, I have so much on my mind and so much on my plate, but I'm going to keep going. And I know this video seems super random, but I'm so inspired by the spirit that was Sandra Bland, and I want to celebrate that spirit. I loved her Sandy Speaks videos, and I want to do like an actual video on that case. I will quickly say, though, that she didn't kill herself. And I'm a big fan of quotes, so I'm going to leave you with this one other quote. "If you are silent about your pain, they'll kill you and say you enjoyed it." And I truly believe that's a testament to what happened to Sandra Bland, and I'm going to touch more on that later. But anyways, I hope that you keep fighting. I know I intend to keep fighting, both in my personal life and whatever I can contribute to the greater good of humanity. I love you all.